A very warm welcome to you. Many thanks for finding time to be with us on the program. We remain your source for all the latest happenings in the world of business. My name is Lucy Olugbe. You are welcome. On the lineup this week, we take a breather from our usual lineup to bring you our special report on travel insurance. Summer is here, and that means one thing: travel. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed the world order, travel insurance inclusive. What are travelers' concerns right now? Are travel insurance now structured to accommodate incidents of quarantine? How easy is it to claim from your overseas partners on your travel insurance? How cheap or expensive is your travel insurance? All these questions will be answered by our guest, Mr. Tope Ilesanmi, Regional Director, Lagos Island Retail and Market Operations, Consolidated Hallmark Insurance PLC, and Mrs Omowunmi Olatunbosun, Travel Insurance Unit, NEM Insurance PLC. Let's check out what they have to say.
The business terrain all over the world has changed. Innovation these days is inevitable because when you look at the events that are happening around the world, you now realize that if you are not an innovative company, you will be pushed aside. So the COVID really changed the way of doing business. It did not only change the way of doing business, it has also changed the concept of product offerings. Packaging and marketing all must be changed because the way people perceive you now is different from pre-COVID area. So also our travel insurance also was repackaged because we must give what our clients really want. It's not what they want before COVID that they want now.
Our claims process is very seamless. We are in partnership with MAFRE, and they are one of the leading reinsurance that we have around. For our claims process, once there is an emergency need for a medical assistance, the person acting on behalf of our principal is expected to contact the numbers that we have behind the certificate. We have phone numbers, we have 247 international alarm center number to be contacted in case of emergency medical need. We have WhatsApp number there, and we have email to be contacted. Once you are able to reach our international partners, definitely you'll be attended to.
Plus, of course, all the other extras will bring you each week on the program. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Details in just a moment. Please stay with us.
Summer is here again. As international travel picks up across the world, sorting out insurance is a must for anyone planning on a summer vacation, either individually or as a family or even group of friends. The COVID-19 pandemic has made it imperative for anyone planning an international trip for leisure or business to take out a travel insurance cover. This is so because travel insurance cover will take care of the impact of unforeseen or sudden changes prior to and during your holidays, which might result in financial losses. In the Nigerian insurance market, there are many providers to choose from, but the fact remains that only few insurance companies in the Nigerian insurance industry have tailor-made travel insurance covers that delivers value in the face of our current realities post-COVID-19 pandemic. These insurance companies have left no stone unturned at innovating their travel insurance products to ensure that their customers have a wonderful experience from start to finish. We present two of the leading insurance companies with cutting-edge travel insurance covers for travelers who are set for the summer holidays in the first part of our series.
Premium beat.
before looking at that question, I think I need to introduce our company to you. Our company is Consolidated Hallmark Insurance PLC. Our head office is located at number 266 Ikorodu Road, Obanikoro, Lagos. We have our offices spread across various 3 regions, even in the major town and city, the state capital most especially, we have all our branches there. And inside each of these branches, we have our travel insurance desk positioned there. So we can reach out to various arrays of customers to meet their need as far as travel insurance is concerned. We started business after merger in 2007 as a result of mergers of the 3 legacy companies. And since then, we focus on the general segment of insurance business. Recently, we went into micro life, and we are doing micro life. We are doing well, and you can see that we are a growing company over the years. Consistently, year by year, we keep climbing the ladder. So we've been doing business, and recently too, we moved into travel business about 6 years ago. And if you look at our records, you can see consistent growth in that particular line of our business. The business terrain all over the world has changed. Innovation these days is inevitable, because when you look at the events that are happening around the world, you now realize that if you are not an innovative company, you will be pushed aside. So the COVID really changed the way of doing business. It did not only change the way of doing business, it has also changed the concept of product offerings. Packaging and marketing all must be changed, because the way people perceive you now is different from pre-COVID era. So also our travel insurance also was repackaged because we must give what our clients really want. It's not what they want before COVID that they want now. Now with COVID, you now start talking about quarantine, what happened if somebody suddenly got infected while traveling from one country to the other, what happened? He wasn't infected before he left his country, but while in the aircraft, somebody infected him. It wasn't out of his fault, so he didn't plan for it. What happened? What is the position of insurance in that circumstance? So we have thought through it, and we really need that. We feel that we should expand the scope of travel insurance to actually accommodate that. That is part of what we are selling. We have extended our cover to cover those benefits that come as a result of consequences of COVID-related infection. So we do that. In Consolidated Hallmark, we offer 24-hour travel information to all our customers. We give them travel guides, what happened in the country, where they are going, the people, the culture, the age, and what about the regulatory position in that particular the country that they intend to go. These are part of what we offer, even with our travel insurance. Our premium are the premium for various types of our travel insurance, various package of our travel insurance is quite competitive and very, very affordable. CHI travel insurance, our prices, because what you want to buy, the first thing that comes to consumers' mind is how much is this product, how much am I going to get this product, compared to the various other ones that I have in the market. Our own travel insurance is very, very attractive. The price is attractive and competitive in the market. Also, we have provided a wider coverage compared to others that you have in the market. Our travel insurance package covers emergency medical evacuation, covers emergency medical care when you get there and you fall sick. Those emergency cases are covered under our travel insurance. We also provide cover for repatriation of the motor body. If there is a death there, misfortune happen, and they need to transfer him back to the dead body back to the country, it's also covered. Like I said earlier, we offer 24 hours travel insurance information on a regular basis, the moment you buy it. We have emergency dental care, even in our travel insurance package. We also cover lots of valuables, like your international passports, international driver license, and other valuables are also covered under. Then we have cases of change in flights, and you have to be delayed at the airport. Incidences of costs that will come up as a result of that is equally covered in our travel insurance package. And we also have travel cancellation, a cancel of flights in a strange land, and you need to get a hotel where you need to stay and all that. All those ones are covered under our travel insurance package, depending on the particular one that you are really buying. Compulsory quarantine service in case somebody is infected while there and it needs to be quarantined. Those costs related costs that we flow as a result of that issue is equally covered under our travel insurance package. You know that the travel insurance will only cover you for less than about 91 days. So for those period, that window period that they need to have to do their documentation to complete it, to get whatever the health card that for whichever country that they are traveling to school abroad, that period we provide such cover for them. And if they need, because ordinarily, of course, there is a limit of days that every travel insurance package that you are buying will give you. And most usually it's always between 1 day up to 91 days. Those 91 days are covered for every student that purchase our travel insurance and travel abroad. And I equally told you about arrays of covers that they can get cover against incidences of COVID-19 cases, even dental. Most travel insurance will not give you cover for dental because dental like you said, COVID has really changed the entire world. The way we do business, the way we talk, the way we relate, the way we shake hands in those days you embrace yourself, you do all that. Those things are not common again. It becomes so expensive. I wish we could go back to those days where I will see you, I will embrace you and all that, but you don't have it again. So we also consider that even in our marketing. If you want to purchase, to buy our product now, you can go on our portal, www.travel.chiplc.com, and you can procure your travel insurance package there. And of course, if you also have claims, you can go back to the portal and process claims. So we do it such that you don't need to go through any trouble coming to our office. No, you can sit in the comfort of your office or your house and pick up your computer, go on that portal, lodge your claim, buy your insurance, and of course, the market also knows us for speed. So the moment we get that, we process your claim and we give we reimburse you or we pay your claim in full to you. Our partner is actually Mafre. Mafre, as an underwriter, they are popular in the insurance travel business. So you can reach out to them through their website, and you can lodge your complaint there. But of course, our network is quite wide, and you can reach out to us directly if you don't want to go through the trouble of getting directly to our underwriter. We are here to serve you. So lodge your claim to us. We'll process your claim. We have various levels, various stages of claim processes, and we have various services when it comes even to claim. You can process directly with us. We can expose you directly to the underwriter, or you pay by yourself. You come back, we can equally refund you. Generally, our claim process is not complex. very simple as ABC. And those people that have tried us before can confirm that. Our claim process, we try as much as possible to put ourselves in the position of the client. What happens if I'm the client in this case? How do I want it to be so easy for me? How do I need to go so that at the end of the day, I'll find whatever I want to buy so easy? So the portal is there. Click on the portal. All the documents that you need to submit, they are there. You can interface with it. It's quite interactive. Submit the document. We'll respond to you immediately. And you can also decide to process the claim directly with MAFRE, who is our underwriter. Of course, they will process that claim to you, and they will pay your claims. So claim is a bit more easier now than the old stories that the insurance company will not pay your claim. It's at the point of claim that they start giving you one reason or the other. I think those days are gone because the insurance business now is highly regulated. I can't invest that kind of money, and just because of one small claim, I will allow the regulator to withdraw my license. So claim is taken more seriously in Consolidated Hallmark. Not only travel insurance, all our covers that we give. So we take our clients' claim very seriously. At every close of business, we ask ourselves, is there any claim that's supposed to be paid today that has not been paid? And most times we realize that we don't find any, except when those claims are not fully documented or they have one or two reasons why we need to push them to the next stage. So we don't waste time when it comes to claims. So also, and this also affects our insurance package. Treatment is quite expensive when you travel abroad. So we will have that even in our travel insurance package.
Over the years, NEM has been able to come up with a more robust plan to accommodate passengers living from Nigeria on vacation, conferences, family reunion to cover their medical trip while outside their home country. We have a wide range of plans ranging from Schengen, which is a compulsory requirement by the Schengen Embassy, minimum of 30,000 euro to cover their medical while they are outside Nigeria on vacation. We have PEL plan, we have economy, we have family, which is to take care of family as a group. That's the father, the mother, and the children. We have economy plan. Economy plan has the medical benefits of 15,000 US dollars. And then we have plan to take care of the aged people above 81 years old. And then we have a separate plan for children under the age of 18 with an added advantage of a minimum premium, that a discounted premium of 50%. NEM is actually a company to reckon with. We are a rated company. We are financially stable. Our claims payments is a top-notch. Our service, we have a very robust, a very good service delivery. Our turnaround time is a top-notch. So NEM is actually a place to be. Like I said earlier, we have a wide range of products to meet the need of every Nigerian. We have cover for pilgrimage, people going for Hajj, lesser Hajj. We have plans to cover students, which enables them to stay outside their home country for 1 year at a stretch. It doesn't have a 92 days consecutive clause on it. We have plans for people going on vacation, tourism, conferences, So we have a very robust plan to take care of our travel needs, to cover our medical expenses, our emergency medical expenses while outside our home country. It's a very robust plan to take care of every need of every individual going outside their home country. Nobody saw COVID coming, but fine, it came. Definitely, we have to look for a product to meet the needs of our clients. So we upgraded our products to cover COVID-19. And our COVID-19 covers, it has a medical benefit to cover their medical expenses while outside Nigeria. I have to state that it doesn't cover the cost of tests, because we have a number of people that will ask when we need to run our test before leaving Nigeria, is our policy going to cover it? No. The cover starts from when we are outside our home country and we are diagnosed of COVID-19. The cost of quarantine, compulsory 14 days quarantine, is covered, and then the medical benefit is covered. Under the cost of quarantine, it doesn't cover the food, the laundry in the hotel. It only covers the hotel bills. They have access to $85 per day for 14 days. And then the additional benefit is the cost of medical while there to cover the medical treatment of COVID-19. Yes, our customers can buy our travel insurance for travel agents. We have agents that has our digitalized platform to sell on behalf of NEM Insurance PLC. So our clients can actually walk into travel agents and purchase our travel insurance policies. We have travel agents that are currently in partnership with NEM Insurance PLC, and then you can get our certificates, travel insurance certificates issued on behalf of NEM from their office. To get your travel insurance done, you can walk into any office of NEM Insurance PLC. Likewise, you can visit our website www.nem-insurance.com to request for a quote, and in the shortest possible time, you get a response to your quote. Our claims process is very seamless. We are in partnership with MAFRE, and they are one of the leading reinsurance that we have around. For our claims process, once there is an emergency need for a medical assistance, the person acting on behalf of our principal is expected to contact the numbers that we have behind the certificate. We have phone numbers. We have 247 international alarm center number to be contacted in case of emergency medical need. We have WhatsApp number there, and we have email to be contacted. Once you are able to reach our international partners, definitely you'll be attended to. But in some cases, we find out that people, they do not even reach out to our international partners. They go ahead and then use their funds to pay for their medical bills. In that case, once you return back to Nigeria, all you need to do is come with your receipt, your medical bills, your hospital reports, and definitely your claims will be treated accordingly.
All right, that's our time on the program this week. Many thanks for your company. To keep a date with us, same time, same station next week for a fresh package. In the meantime, feel free as always to connect with us on all our social media platforms. Join us also every Wednesday by 9:45 a.m. live for our flagship Pidgin English program, Waiting Insurance They Do Safe, powered by NICOM. My name is Lucy Lube. From the entire crew, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.